inserting, and editing. So the most common scenario you're faced with is you have a page that you need to add a diagram to. Go to Page Edit. Either start typing, draw.io, or insert via the plus pull-down. Whichever route we choose, we end up in the splash screen. At this point, we'll focus on two options, the blank diagram and the built-in templates. The built-in diagrams are there to give you ideas in specific domains. Not only is the diagram populated, but the libraries available change depending on the diagrams. All said, most users just pick a blank diagram. We'll do that. Either double-click the option or single-click and select.